The state has brought in a Hurricane Ian recovery director to oversee efforts in our state. At the top of her list is holding insurance companies accountable. Her plan's coming up.
And a high-profile murder case began with jury selection today, where the defendant facing the death penalty is literally fighting for his own life, representing himself.
Looking at me like I'm a thug, I'm a gangster, I'm a murderer, and that's the looks they're giving me.
Plus, some parents perturbed after Lee County schools did not release the school assignments as planned today. Why the district says the assignments are pushed back. Tonight on Fox 4 News at 6.
Live from Southwest Florida, you're watching Fox 4 News at 6.
A question about a Fort Myers murder trial that seemed like it might stop almost as quickly as it started. Thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Chris Earl.
And I'm Nadine Yanis.
Yeah, and I know they in there listening, so
They're not.
where are they?
They're in the back room. They can't hear anything that's being said.
All right, so this is breaking within the last hour. There are serious questions. A judge says that man, Wisner Desmaret's capital murder trial, might continue.
And you had heard from Desmaret, whom prosecutors say killed a Fort Myers police officer outside of a gas station in 2018, who's questioning jurors because Desmaret is representing himself. But when we left, Fox 4's Brianna Brownlee back at 5. The judge had just stopped the case because Desmaret claimed his lawyer did not give him paperwork. She joins us.
That is correct, Chris. There's been a lot of back and forth today. Wisner Desmaret, the man accused of killing Fort Myers police officer Adam Jobbers Miller, says that he did not receive all the evidence. And this made Judge Robert Brandon question if they should do a continuance. Now, after a brief discussion, they did decide to give Desmaret the 3-day weekend to go over the evidence. Now, this is a unique situation because Desmaret is defending himself. And since he's defending himself, that means he was over questioning the jury today.
I just want to ask these questions, like who, what they, how can you put it, what they partnership or what is their relationship.
The first question, Wisner Desmaret, the man facing first-degree murder for the killing of Officer Adam Jobbers Miller, asked during jury selection.
I look familiar.
A question he asked every potential juror because he says he wants to make sure he has a fair trial. During day 1 of jury selection, he wasn't wearing his usual red jumpsuit. Instead, a blazer and an unbuttoned dress shirt.
I'm somebody that's being accused, and I just wanted to ask to see if he was one of these persons that say, hey, maybe that dude, I think he's guilty or something.
While he is acting as his own defense attorney and has standby counsel with defense attorney Lee Hollander, prosecutors say Desmaret shot Officer Jobbers Miller with his own gun during a robbery investigation nearly 5 years ago. And if convicted, Desmaret can either serve life without parole or the death penalty.
Oh, that's what we was asking about. I didn't know that we was talking about the death penalty.
Now, about an hour ago, I did see Desmaret's family, and they did tell me, his brother told me that he really did try to get Desmaret an attorney. However, Desmaret said no, he's only trusting himself to defend himself in this case. Now, at last check, there was only around 20 potential jurors that came from today. However, they are expected to start back with jury selection tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Like always, Fox 4 will keep you updated. Live from Lee County Courthouse, Brianna Brownlee, Fox 4.